Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here with my Spokeshaves. Simply put, Spokeshaves are the plane that's not a plane. It works like a plane. It cuts like a plane. But we don't call it a plane. It is a beveled down tool with a flat sole. Beveled down tool, flat sole, open mouth. You can use it for coarse work and you can use it for fine work. There are versions like this that have no adjustment knobs, and there are versions like this Amazon Basics has these adjustment knobs, which I'm not going to talk about because I don't like them. Does it work? Yeah, it works. I picked this up when I misplaced my nice Stanley, and I still have yet to find out what happened to my nice Stanley. It's gone. But I'm actually getting very fond of this one, so I'm going to repaint that one. It is a great teaching tool for young people because you get their hands engaged, two of them, and then you get their eyes engaged and focused on the task. You teach them respect for the tool. You teach them how to sharpen. If they learn how to sharpen this tool, they'll know how to sharpen a hand plane. They'll know how to sharpen a chisel. You also teach them about wood, about grain direction, how sometimes you'll be going along, cutting, and then you notice you're going against the grain, so you go the other way, and it's smoother, okay? So you teach them about grain direction. You teach them about how these tools were used and how spokes of wagon wheels were used, spoke shaves, and the spokes on spinning wheels to make thread and wool and yarn. Also, you teach them geometry, going from a square, which is 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 360 degrees, and that when you go round, you in theory could have 360 individual facets or degrees. So you teach geometry. You teach strength of material, where if the grain is running all the way through, it's a lot stronger than if the grain goes kittywampus, okay? It's a great teaching tool. You should have at least one in your workshop, because whether it's you or whether it's a student, you may want to make a spatula to fit a certain pan, or you may want to make somebody says, hey, I'd like a spurtle. Okay, spurtle's basically a dowel. So you go out and you find a scrap of wood and you whittle it down, you make a spurtle. Okay, you make it fit their hand. They're great little tools. Sharpening the blades are a little tricky for people with big fingers. So there are clamping devices you can make out of wood to just hold them while you're sharpening. So that's about it, everybody. If you have any question on Spokeshaves, drop them down in the comment section. And head out in your shop. Go see if you have a Spokeshave. Dust it off, get rid of the rust, sharpen it, polish it. Go make some shavings. Walter out.